sources say the NSE has filed a draft red herring prospectus with the market regulator Sebi for its IPO. Remember, your channel ET Now was the first to report on NSE's plans to tap the capital markets. That was on 14th of December. It was a story that was broken by Vijay Iyer. And Vijay, who is holidaying with his wife for the new year, is joining us on the phone line. Vijay, apologies for disrupting you on your holiday, but I know you broke this story and you wanted to be on the channel, even if it's on the phone. Take us to the details. Do you know what's in the DRHP? What are the key highlights?
Nandra, yes, quickly before moving on to the news, of course I have completed my holiday back, just reaching back Mumbai and joining work tomorrow. But yes, as reported by ET Now, it's official. NSE has filed this DRHP with market regulator Sebi for its IPO. Now perhaps this would be one of the biggest IPOs to hit the markets in the last 5 years. The size is stated to be around 10,000 crore plus. What we understand is that around 20 to 25% shares would be offered during this IPO, although this would be an offer for a sale or OFS as it's called. So clearly NSE, perhaps we all know, is country's largest exchange, will be listing on a BSE as the controversy around self-listing has been put to rest when Ashok Chawla in an exclusive interview with ET Now said that they are going to list on a BSE. Interestingly, this is happening at a time when perhaps today or tomorrow we expect the BSE IPO also to get clearance from market regulator Sebi, and NSE has filed the DRHP. So perhaps calendar year 2017 or FY18 in that sense will be the year where we see both the exchanges of India, equity exchanges, getting listed. But clearly the interest on NSE would be large because of the offer OFS size around 20-25% that would be put to offer. Clearly the pricing and the valuation is something that we'll have to look at, because NSE at this point of time, although is the largest exchange, is valued very highly with big names like Goldman and Blackstone also holding their stake. It would be interesting to see would the current owners stay, or would they like to put out some of their shares on the block. But clearly, as they reported, NSE has filed the DRHP, and perhaps in the first quarter or second quarter of calendar years when we expect the IPO to get listed in BSE.
Now, Vijay did catch up exclusively with Ashok Chawla, the interim chairman of the NSE, on the 14th of December. And that's when Chawla had confirmed that the NSE's listing plans were very much on track despite the change in management.
Process for filing the DRHP is absolutely on track. We had put in the public domain initially that we will file it by the end of January. Then we brought it forward to 20th December. And we are committed to filing it with Sebi before by the 20th of December. So in that sense, the process is on track. We are quite committed to listing as per the regulations of Sebi, which means that we have to list on the other exchange, and there will be no self-listing. There's no doubt on that.